In this video, we will show you how to replace your outside mirror glass on this Dodge Ram 1500 with tow mirrors. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we want to mention is since this mirror is made out of glass, we'll make sure we have hand and eye protection at all times. As another safety precaution, we're going to use some painter's tape or masking tape and just take several strips and put it across the glass just in case it does break. Hopefully it won't flake off. Continuing from there, we're going to use a plastic trim tool and we're going to have to gently start prying this away from the mirror assembly itself. Once you get in the backside of here, what you're going to find is that on the mirror glass itself, it has a whole bunch of locking tabs that'll grab onto that actual mirror assembly directly in the center, essentially forming a circle. We just want to pop it free. It's very difficult to get all the way down to the center, but as long as you're using a plastic trim tool, generally you can get away with just gently prying it out and away. Just hold on to this. There we are. We'll go ahead and turn it around real quick. And at this point, you can see all of those locking tabs making their way around. Before we install our brand new mirror glass, we're looking along the back side. Now what you'll find is that your kit came with two new tabs that you need to install. The areas that you want to install them have these small locking ears. There's one here, and there's one on the bottom corner. Here's those metal tabs. If you were looking at them, what we need is this flat-edged area, and we're going to slide it directly into those locking ears. Just go ahead and line it up, gently squeeze it in, and then give it a little tug to make sure it's secured. Repeat the process for the next one down in the bottom corner. Let's press that in. Now we're back at the mirror. We're paying attention along the back side here. We have the locking ears, and in the center, we have the area for all of those locking ears to fit onto. We'll just take this mirror glass, gently align it, and then press it in along the center. Do not press along the outer edges. That can cause damage to the brand new mirror glass or the mirror assembly. Okay, feels as though it's lined up. Just press that in. There we are. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, you just want to set it to your preferences as far as looking behind the vehicle, and then take your vehicle for a road test to test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.